Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix one of the most popular errors, and it gives a lot of problems to programmers. So I guess everything's gonna be okay with you, and I'm gonna highlight on what causes the error, and also I'm gonna give you a solution to that error. So I think the error, you can see it on your screen right now. Let me see. I want to make this a little bit bigger. You can see that combined together there is something like this. Also, I would I would say I'll give you this, something like this also. I guess you can see that. If it's clear on your screen, then we are ready to talk about it. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit also big so that you can see it clearly. You can see this, everything is clear. So we're gonna do this, and I want to ask, why does the SQL error message mean? What does it mean? You get me? So this error, it's fixable, and it's not something which is much of a stress. It happens when you mix the usage of the user root and the database use. You can see the two. So when you mix them, then you're gonna get a problem. Typically, MySQL often in directory is created with a user root, which does not allow another user to MySQL to access its files. You get me? Or directories. So those files, you can find them in var, libraries, MySQL. So I think we can see to that quickly. You can see that. I'm gonna go to the terminal. I wanna clean all of this. Clean. Oh wow, what is this? When I clean, no, clear. I said clear, I said clean, clear. Okay, make sure MySQL service is on. Say service MySQL start. They should be on that service, and also service Apache 2 start. Okay, once you're done with that, we're gonna show you where the files are. You're gonna cd to var. I would say cd. If you don't see, let me make it a little bit bigger. You cd to var /var/ then you say libraries, which is gonna be lib /MySQL. Get me? That's all. Hit enter. Those are while the files are. So the permissions now are the ones which are giving you problems. You get me? So I'm gonna say ls. We wanna list what is there. You can see what we have here. We have IB buffer pool, IB login file, IB temp. You understand? So all of those files are there, so it cannot access the it's not being given access to that. You can see even we have here our stuff for WordPress area log control, Debian 10 points, whatever. Analyze all those files. So this is where you're gonna get a problem. So this is where you get a problem. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you the commands to run to give access to that. You understand? So that's the thing. So the way to fix this, you have to keep both roles, root and MySQL, strictly separated. That's what you have to know, because here the permissions are giving you stress. MySQL root doesn't want to give access to MySQL user. You get me? Because there are two users here. There's root and there is MySQL. So if you are ready, in this situation you have to choose or to change the directory permissions. So now I'm gonna do that. You do it. Once you run that command, you're gonna be super fine. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna say, we in that file. Okay, let me clear. We in that file already. We don't need to say, but okay, let's go, because some people get confused. Okay, to do this, to fix this, you're gonna say sudo cd to var / libraries lb, which is lib / mysql. Okay, wow, mysql cd to var lib. Oh, why is that mysql? There's a mistake I made here. I don't believe. Okay, let me say sudo cd to /var, then /lib, then /mysql, then enter. Oh, this could be the problem. I'm sudo already. Let me see without sudo. It's gonna be cd. If you not sudo, be sudo. If you sudo, don't put sudo. var /mysql, oh no, /lib, then lib /mysql, then you say enter. Yeah, you see now we have a problem. We had a problem now. Command not found. The problem is you did sudo when you not sudo. You're not supposed to put sudo if you are sudo. I'm sudo, so I try to do sudo, which is wrong. Sometimes you do that mistake and walk away free, depending where you are. In Linux you do that, but in MySQL it can recognize that you sudo already. You're trying to do things in a wrong way. So I faced some problems because of that. So be careful if you're dealing with MySQL. It's not the same thing as Linux or whatever Linux you use, because here the rules a little bit change. In Linux, maybe I can go and do one command, and you will see that you can run away with some things. We haven't been to MySQL, but what I'm trying to say, sometimes in Linux, when you accessing some files, you can be sudo and still say sudo and you don't get any problem. But now I try to do sudo when I'm sudo already, then I got into some problems. So now make sure you sudo yourself before. Once you see that you sudo, then you can access that file. Okay, so now once we're here, you have to say another command is gonna be CHOWN space -R space MySQL, because we in that folder. I'm gonna show you. So we now giving permission to that file MySQL, then colony, then you go to the file called MySQL, then space data, which is MySQL data. Then you say enter. You say access to such file or directory. CHOWN can't do that. You get me? But anyway, we can still try this. Me, I'm not allowed to do that. You get me? So, but now let me try with a super sudo. Okay, CHOWN, they don't allow this. You get me? We can use a different command here. We can say chmod. That command can be maybe accepted. Then say enter. Yeah, invalid invalid cmod. Okay, invalid mode, MySQL mode. Try cm mode or ch. Try ch mode minus help for more information. Okay, so we're not getting access on that, but what is giving you trouble is the access on this ch or we try to ch on cannot access data, no such file, or no such file on the directory. Wow. Okay. Oh, the file on the directory is known there. So, but anyway, this is the thing you have. You're having a problem with the the permission issue. So I believe you have to give permission using this. Give him permission to each and every file in there. For instance, let me say ls, and we get all these files. This could be one of the files which can get you into trouble. You get me? So we can say, let me get you something small. Okay, let me see. Yeah, we can give this file. You know, this is a different new whatever, so now I can use that, and I give this permission to that file. Yeah, give permission to that file. Yeah, it gave permission to that file. Yeah, try to give permission to this file, then you're gonna be out of that problem. Also this one, you see this and this, you got to give them permission and test again, then you're gonna be sorted. If you have any problem, please leave a comment in the comment box below, then we can proceed help with some help we have. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. If it didn't work for you, I'm sorry, but if it worked, then it's good. And if you have to ask more questions, so this is the problem. You have to know what caused it. Then if it didn't work, then try to do what? To search for permissions, to give permission to that user, the user you're using. So that's the way one of the reasons why you're getting that. Thanks for watching, guys. If I get another solution or in a different way, I'm gonna do another video then to show you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.